Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's check out how to view your financial summary in Trim. You want a clear snapshot of your finances? Well, Trim makes it easy with its built-in financial summary, and here's how to find and understand it. Start by opening the Trim app and logging in. Once you land on the home screen, you want to look for the section labeled Spending Summary or Financial Overview. This is usually right beneath your account balances or can be accessed through the Accounts or Transactions tab in the bottom menu. Tap into that section and you're going to see a breakdown of your financial activities, including total income for the month, total spendings categorized by types, as well as upcoming bills or recurring charges. And your net balance, of course, you're going to see your net balance, which shows how much you've spent versus exactly how much you've earned. Trim may also give you helpful visualizations like pie charts or bar graphs to make the data easy to understand at a single glance. This financial summary updates automatically so you can track your habits, adjust your budgets, and spot trends over time. That's how simple it is to stay in control of your money with Trim. And in the next video, I'm going to show you guys how to understand your spending categories. So hit like and subscribe so you don't miss it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.